क्या आपको कभी-कभी लगता है कि मोदी जी का जादू दक्षिण भारत में नहीं चलता? क्योंकि अगर आप वेस्ट इंडिया लेते हैं, नॉर्थ ईस्ट लेते हैं, ईस्ट लेते हैं, नॉर्थ इंडिया लेते हैं, स्पेशली द हिंदी बेल्ट, सब जगह बीजेपी ही बीजेपी है, लेकिन केरल हो या तमिलनाडु हो, कहीं लगता है कि जो जैसे ही सदर्न पेनिनसुला स्टार्ट होता है, बीजेपी का जो विजय रथ है वो वहाँ पे आके रुक जाता है।
नहीं, रुकता था, लेकिन अब नहीं। अब हम बढ़ते ही चले जा रहे हैं। यू सी, अभी बाई इलेक्शंस हुए इन तेलंगाना, वी हैव वन दुबाका सीट. Above Dubaka seat, it is the Chandrasekhar's seat. On the right hand side, it is the Chandrasekhar's son-in-law seat. On the southern side, it is the Chandrasekhar's son's seat, and we have one Dubaka seat. We have done very good in Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. We have been doing good in Karnataka, and in coming times we will do good in Kerala also, and Puducherry is going to be, we are going to form the government. So there is going to be a change, and this time we are going to break it in south also.
No, but in Kerala there has been a constant LDF to UDF cycle that may break in this election, but even then the fight is largely between the left and the Congress. What is the alternate vision, Nadda ji, that the BJP offers to the voters of Kerala? Why is it that you believe voters in Kerala should perceive you as a genuine alternate to this cycle between the LDF and the UDF?
First of all, development. Number two, no appeasement, but development of all, and people are fed up with appeasement. There is a communal feeling which has come up, that this party is supporting this community, this party is supporting this community and this religious sect, and it is only the Modi mantra, sabka saath, sabka vikas, sabka vishwas, and ultimately people are looking for alternative. We have to go forward in an aggressive manner and try to explain the people in the right perspective, and we are going to get results. That is what I feel.
I want to come now to Puducherry. Now, one of the criticisms of the BJP has been that जहां आपकी सीधे रास्ते से सरकार नहीं बनती, आप बैकडोर से बना लेते हो. Now, you were nowhere in the picture, yet your party is alleged to have worked behind the scenes to break the Congress, like you did in Karnataka, before that in Madhya Pradesh. So, if you don't win fairly, which you do often, you are also not averse to trying to win by crook and finding some backdoor way of being able to weaken your opponents. How do you respond to this?
Rahul ji, when we are defeated, we accept the defeat. When there is something wrong in our party, we accept it. But it is this Congress who has never accepted the reality of the situation. A bad craftsman always blames his tools, and that is what Congress party has been doing, and Narayan Swamy is also doing it. It is the Congress people who have defected. It is for him to take care of them. Who asked, whose responsibility was it? And whenever there is a problem in your party, BJP has done it. What is this? This is absolutely wrong, and they are not able to handle their own affairs. There was discontentment in the party. There is discontentment among the people in Puducherry. They were fed up with the corruption of Narayan Swamy government, and there was no development taking place. There was a public rally of Prime Minister Modi, and the turnout has given the signal that people want change there. So we have to understand, and when you are not performing, you blame the others. This is not fair to us, and I feel that it is because until date there is no realization. You see, realization is the first step of making your ideology or your party victorious. But when you are not realizing, Rahul ji, what can the other party do, and what can BJP do? For everything you blame BJP, this is not fair, and it is their own responsibility, their own handling of affairs, which has led to their friends have deserted them because of that.